Hey guys, today is Thursday, June 25th. Tomorrow starts Raisio Beach Party, so then this place is going to be full of people. Now I'm going swimming and I'll be filming the ship as well. Looks like it's not allowed to go there right now. Hey guys, it is now Friday, June 26th, and Raisio Beach Party has started about 2 hours ago. I'm now here in Raisio, and it seems like it's starting to rain. Yeah, it started to rain, alright. Hey guys, today is Monday, June 29th, and Raisio Beach Party is now over. The dome has now been installed, and that happened between Saturday and Sunday. Kuffa Cruises uploaded quite good video about it. I'll put a link into the description box.